Good morning and welcome to week 3 of this rainy childhood vlog. I'm loving how the rain always brings out the saturation of all of the green things growing and helps everything sprout in spring. I love it. It is so rainy and humid. My hair is doing the frizz thing. But my first stop this week is I have to pick up I think 2 more seasons, maybe 1 more season of Doc Martin so that we can finish off Doc Martin. I'm actually sad that it'll be over, but I'm really enjoying it. Check out these summery flavors of soda. Nice. I think I'm gonna go with one of these. That's French. Guys, check this out. I've never seen a store do this before. Just have like a grocery store, loose freezies for 25 cents. That's so cool. It feels very retro to have something like that, but I'm loving it. Guys, I don't know if you can tell, but it is actually snowing in the rain. What in the Yuletide carols is this? That is like full snow coming down, guys. There is still some rain in there too, but whatever. You guys, I don't know if I should be breaking out the Christmas music or something, because look at this. And let me tell you, it is the middle of May, I promise. Normally, in my childhood vlogs, I'm showing you guys this tree in beautiful pink blooms. But today, it's got a beautiful layer of snow. So what's the plan here? Like, am I making a snowman for my birthday month? Childhood vlogs? Do I make a snowman? I don't really know what to do about this, guys. Well, you want to go make a snow angel with me? I'm going to put my Christmas socks on because I'm wearing my Christmas pajamas. Let's go make a snow angel on May 16th. I'm wearing my husband's big gloves. Here we go. We're doing it. Now let's make some coffee to warm up. Good morning to this Canadian prairie winter wonderland on May 16th. Also want to hear something funny? We bought these to go in this wild garden patch by the bench. And my husband wanted to plant these last weekend, but it says, so after the danger of frost has passed. And so I was like, I think we should wait. I'm glad we waited. I think this mug is quite appropriate for the day. Ladies and gentlemen, this is day 2 of the snow. It was raining, so it kind of took away most of the snow, and now it's snowing once again. Believe it or not, I think I'm gonna put something on the iPad to watch while I do some puzzling. That's Aragorn, if you can't tell. And have a little snack that my sister got for me for my birthday. Look how cute these are. And it's actually really, really good. I highly recommend it. I think I'm gonna go with the Red Green Show. Also, as I sit here to puzzle, I have also been watching H2O Just Add Water, which I didn't actually watch as a kid, but it's got that childhood flair because I'm pretty sure this was aired when I was a young person, so had I had the access to this show, I would have watched it. So happy Sunday morning, and fun fact, it is snowing again. So it's been a little bit since I've talked with you last because honestly, I've kind of been in a rotten mood the last couple of days. So I've been a little schluffy, if you will. But right now, I am on my way to my sister's house and we are going to watch The Avengers. It has nothing to do with my childhood because The Avengers came out after my childhood. So this is just for fun. But yeah, this gravel road that she lives on, man, it is rough right now. I mean, we did just have a ton of moisture, so it kind of makes sense when you have moisture on gravel roads and then you have all sorts of heavy trucks and machinery and tractors and whatnot on it. Bound to happen. But when we get there, I'll see if I can capture their 2 dogs for you. They are lovely. This is Lennox and Jack. They're lovely. Aren't they lovely? Hi. Okay, so just to recap yesterday, I didn't manage to catch my sister's cat, even though he's being so affectionate with me. Every time I thought of grabbing my phone, he would leave. So I didn't get the cat. I got the dogs, and I got their newly hatching chickens. But after the movie, we went into the hot tub and my sister saw a tick on me. So yeah, I don't like that. So she took care of it. She took it off and killed it and everything. So that was super. But yeah, I was on tick duty for the rest of the night. Definitely like feeling it. Anyway, today I just finished up work. It's a beautiful day, you guys. The sun is back. It's once again feeling like spring/summer. So hopefully that means no more snow. There is a new thrift store that opened up last week in my city. So let's go check it out because I have to kill some time in the city because I have a doctor appointment in like 3 hours. So I have to find something to do for 3 hours. The thrift stores are so clueless sometimes. This mug is $2.99, but it was at the dollar store for $2.50. Like, hello. These thrift stores need to get it together. For someone who wasn't planning on thrifting today, guys, this cart is way too full. Oh boy, I'm having too much luck here today. And look at all these books. Nice. I literally left the thrift store and it's thundering and raining. Since the day is so nice today, I think I am going to do a bit of yard work. I don't know. There's not a lot to do yet because we haven't planted stuff yet because the risk of frost is usually late May here. So a lot of us around the area will plant our gardens and everything late May just to avoid the risk of frost. So I do plan to plant everything next week, but for today, I think I'm just gonna putz around, do a little bit of weeding maybe. Yeah, we'll see what I can find to do outside. this video is actually supposed to be posted already. It is Friday morning and it's not. Yesterday I was just so tired all day, and this morning I woke up with a very bad migraine on my right side. So now I have to wait for pills to kick in, and then I will do a little bit of vlogging today, and then I will have it posted tomorrow on Saturday. So by the time you see this, it's Saturday morning. I guess that's just how it goes sometimes. So I'm sitting outside reading Cucumber Quest, which doesn't have anything to do with my childhood, but it is a graphic novel. And look at this page. Like, look at how vibrant these colors are. Like, does this not scream like 90s to you? It totally does for me. Like, it's so fun. Guys, I'm so excited right now. Look what just came in. Maybe I won't tell you just yet, but you'll have to wait and see. Maybe next week. Yeah, next week. Come back and see what's in these boxes. Off to games night where we're bringing watermelon. So, like I said, we're going to games night. It is something that our group of friends does. They try to do it once every month, and we try to make it every time. But these are friends that I went to high school with, so it does kind of fit with the childhood vlogs. Well, so much for that.